It is the summer of 2001. 3 years since it last rained. We are in the Rajsamand district in Rajasthan. The government has declared this a drought-affected area. But ironically for the people of this area, nature is not the biggest enemy. We visit Nimri village, one in a cluster of 10 villages under the local government, the Panchayat. The village boasts of a water tank, but despite that, the women have to traverse many miles to fetch a few precious pots. Upon closer examination, we find that the tank serves no purpose. There is no source of water either to or from the tank. The tank was constructed in 1996-97 with a sanction amount of about $4,000. This is not the only anomaly here. In this vast, rugged, dry and arid landscape, we spot an oasis. This is the house of Khem Singh Solanki, a ward member of the self-government, the Panchayat. We meet his wife, Phep Kumari. She does not face a water problem like the rest of the village.
वो गांव का कुआं है, उधर आपने वो लगा रखा है पंप और वहां से आप लेते हो पानी, ऐसा है क्या? पूरा मोटर? हाँ.
A community well is used as the Solanki's private property. A powerful motor and underground cabling ensures uninterrupted water supply. The story of Khem Singh's misdeeds does not end here. The villagers point to an extension of his house, a hall where he runs a flour grinding mill. This, they claim, is a community center built with public funds in 1994-95 that he has appropriated.
नहीं, ये तो मेरे पहले का ही था ही मकान, समुदाय केंद्र वही है।
कितने साल से समुदाय केंद्र?
5-6 साल हो गए।
Khem Singh claims that the small structure next to his house is the community center built in 1994, a claim disputed by the villagers.
जो समुदाय केंद्र है, ये छोटा वाला जो है पीला रंग का, ये कब बना?
2-3 महीने पहले बने।
The fact is that Khem Singh is lying. He has appropriated public property and hastily built another structure almost half the size of the original one to avoid scrutiny. He is now scared, for the people of the village are demanding that the accounts of public works be made transparent and the officers held accountable. This is the demand for the right to information that gives the common man the power of public audit. Situated in the district of Rajsamand is Devdungri, the headquarters of the Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan or the MKSS. This is the place from where the struggle for the right to information campaign in Rajasthan began in June 1994. It was in 1990 that a few people from diverse backgrounds got together to form the organization. Minimum wages for labor was the issue they dealt with first. Large sums of money were sanctioned by the government for development works and labor, but only a fraction reached those for whom it was meant. It was an issue linked to people's livelihood.
They used to say, हमारा पैसा नहीं है, सरकार का पैसा है, जलने दो उसको. But when they asked that question कि मेरा मजदूरी कहाँ गया, it became मेरी मजदूरी, मेरा पैसा. But it also became the infrastructure development in the village. It meant a talab, a road, a school building, and the location of it and the quality of it. So it joined together this question कि इस पैसे का आपने क्या किया? It's joined together a question of economics, question of livelihood, question of politics together.
The demand for transparency snowballed into a larger movement, and finally the Rajasthan government passed the Right to Information Act in May 2000. Photocopies of documents relating to development works can technically be obtained within 4 days. But as always, the story on paper and the ground reality are vastly different. About 65 kilometers from Devdungri is Janavad. On a wall in the Panchayat building are painted details of the development works of that area for the last 6 years. A simple but powerful mechanism of transparency. Upon examination, the villagers found that the board listed works that simply did not exist.
ये है जनावर से रोलेक्स रास्ता 2470, ये बिल्कुल फर्जी है, काम हो ही नहीं वहाँ, एक मुट्ठी भर मिट्टी नहीं पड़ी।
In February 2000, under the Rajasthan Right to Information Act, Jamna Ram Gujjar, along with other villagers, submitted the first application for copies of records relating to development works in their village. Jamna Ram should have received copies of the documents in 4 days. But even after relentless follow-up for 9 months, no information was forthcoming. Undeterred, the villagers contacted the MKSS, who wrote numerous letters to the government asking for the information to be made available.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि अंदर से क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि चिट्ठियां सब थी। मुख्य मतलब ये पंचायत राज सचिव की चिट्ठियां आ गई कि सूचना दो, चारों तरफ से चिट्ठियां और सब किसी ने मना नहीं किया, लेकिन दी नहीं जा रही थी।
Finally, the secretary of the village self-government was assigned by the administration to photocopy the documents. He disappeared with the records and emerged 3 days later, armed with a High Court stay order.
समझ के टाइम खराब कर दिया इतना यार, पहले बताया था ना आपको, क्या चाहिए बताऊं? मस्टोड़ा की नकला मैं मांगा, मस्टोड़ा की नकला मैं मांगा, बाकी फोटो कॉपी मैं मांगा, ए बिल वाउचर मैं मांगा, पंचायत को खर्चो मैं मांगा, और लेखो जोखो मैं मांगा, विकास का रुपया मैं मांगा, ई देश का रुपया मैं मांगा, खर्चा को हिसाब मैं मांगा, बिजली को।
We decide to meet Bhuri Bai, the head of the village self-government in Janavad, in whose name the application for the stay was filed. Bhuri became the head on a reserved seat. She is an illiterate, uneducated woman. She told us that she did not approach the High Court.
सूचना का अधिकार मांगने आए थे आपके पास लोग? हाँ? तो क्या आपने बोला था कि नहीं देना चाहिए?
वो साहब मोत मारा समझो तो कोई नहीं, बड़ी तो की नहीं, अगर लगे न वो खाली सचिव न सरपंच का बीड़ा साहब लकाई जो लुचू।
Bhuri was made to sign on 42 blank sheets of paper that were used to deny information to the people of Janavad. Finally, photocopies of the records were obtained almost 1 year after the application was first filed. Soon, campaigning began. April was fixed for a public hearing at Janavad. The villagers were urged to attend and openly testify against the fraud. The next step was to corroborate the records, a painstaking and tedious process. We witnessed the verification procedure at Nimari, where we had found anomalies earlier.
बड़ी तो कोई नहीं पर उठो दीदी तो वही गए
गणेश नहीं दीदा
कालू राम रत्ता जी बढ़ाई अमृतिया
वो फर्जी नहीं है इधर
और भवर जी गोमा जी बढ़ाई जनावत
नहीं है।
और रत्ता जी नंदा जी बढ़ाई अमृतिया
जी की कहीं बलद गाड़ी लगी
एक दिन काम पर नीचे आ बानो काई कियो कि एक तरवार से दार ने वेगी मारी डो चोड़ावे मने कणी बात ओडाई मु कनो हुनु अडने तो राज रजिस्टर में मारो नाम लगे मिलियो अडने तो नाम लगे मिलियो और वडने बानो मु बोली मारी गाड़ी बलद नहीं जा
वास्तव में आप 3 तारीख दिन जनावत गोमती चौराहे पे मीटिंग में आइयो, बिल्कुल आप सरकार के सामने कहो तो बात चाली
सब जो भी अभी कहने के लिए तैयार।
In village Soniana, we visit Gopi. Her home provides ample proof of her financial condition. 4 years ago, Gopi and her husband Ganesh worked as labor on a school site in their village.
वे स्कूल पर जाओ मियाँ कौन परे 2 जना ये आदमी बनने लगा है कोई नहीं न मैं बनी लगी कोई नहीं ये के अपने आगो दिन काम करने न हज़े 2 टिकट लगा
There are 118 such markings, 59 for each of them. They were owed almost $160.
और पैसा 3000 में नहीं पाता
नहीं मिला
दीदा
Efforts to get the rest of the money remained futile. Meanwhile, Ganesh died. But Gopi's hope lives on. Her hut has been plastered many times since, but the markings on the wall remain intact. In the villages of Rajasthan, hope is an overriding emotion. Finally, the day of the public hearing arrives. This is the day all the preparation has been leading up to. There is an air of excitement and apprehension. This is the test. The villagers have to openly question the use and misuse of development funds in their area. But they have been threatened with dire consequences.
आधा आ रहे आधा नहीं भी आ रहे डर के मारे।
किसका डर है?
उस रामलाल सरपंच का।
सरपंच का डर है? क्या डर है?
वही बोलता है ये चला जाएगा सब जंग संगवाई करके और तुम कहाँ जाओगे, तुम तो यही रहने वाला, तुमको एक एक को पिटाऊंगा।
Gradually the space begins to fill up. A panel of eminent persons, including the chairman, Press Council of India, jurists and administrators have been invited to witness the proceedings. The sea of color sets to rest all apprehensions.
ये बिल्डिंग 30 साल पहले जो बन चुकी उस पे 1,36,000 रुपए दिखा दिए खर्चे के, एक नया पैसा पंचायत ने खर्च नहीं किया, ये पूरा गांव कहता है। सबसे बड़ी तारीफ की बात कि एमबी में अलग अलग फेस में एमबी भरी जाती है, तो एमबी में ये तारीख देते हैं कि मैंने इस तारीख को आके चेक किया, अस्पताल इतना ऊंचा बन गया। फिर जयन साहब और आते हैं, फिर आके कहते हैं कि मैंने इस तारीख को चेक किया, इतना ऊंचा बन गया, और कंप्लीट एमबी इन्होंने 20/1/96 को भर दी।
1,33,86,216 rupees has been spent in this panchayat over the last 6 years, and this panchayat has a voting population of 3,000. There are 9,000 panchayats in Rajasthan, over 9,000 panchayats. We have examined about half the number of works in detail worth about 65 lakhs. Out of that, today we are proving about 45 lakhs of defalcation.
बवरी अमर सिंह जन्नावत के रहने वाले, उनके नाम से 8,000 रुपए इंदिरा आवास के उठे,
एक पैसा भी नहीं मिला।
The public hearing ends. The experience has been enriching. But what about the results? We pack up and head back to Delhi.
ऐसा काम कराया धराला तल पे फिर कहीं नहीं पाया, मवेशी अस्पताल खुलवावे, 2 मंजिल पे बनवावे, अब कैसे मवेशी जावे, अब कैसे हो ये इलाज है, कैसो राजस्थान में फूफा भाईरो राज है।
On the train back from Biawar, we find that the Chief Minister of Rajasthan is travelling in the same compartment. We grab the opportunity.
मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी, जो जानकारी आप देंगे हम कार्रवाई करेंगे इमीडिएटली। करप्शन में कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज हम नहीं कर सकते राजस्थान में, ये आप रेस्ट एश्योर्ड रहें।
The response is immediate. 2 days later, we are faxed a list of action taken.
गरीबों का रुपया विकास का रुपया खा गयो रे कोई तो मुंडे बोलो विकास का रुपया खा गयो रे कोई तो मुंडे बोलो चोरी वाड़ो गाड़ा हो गयो रे.
The Janavad story may have ended on a positive note, but questions remain. Only time will tell what action was finally taken against the guilty and what departmental act translates into. But for the poor workers and peasants of Rajasthan, it's a long road ahead.
सेक्रेटरी रुपया वो जेएन रुपया वो वीडियो रुपया प्रधान भी रुपया प्रशासन भेड़ो बल गयो रे कोई तो मुंडे बोलो प्रशासन भेड़ो बल गयो रे कोई तो मुंडे बोलो चोरी वाड़ो गाना हो गयो रे कोई तो मुंडे बोलो चोरी वाड़ो गाना हो गयो रे कोई तो मुंडे बोलो. और चोरी वाड़ा में कई कई चीजें खाई. बजरी का रुपया भाटा का रुपया सरमट का रुपया एनकट का रुपया नाडी का रुपया रपटा का रुपया मोरिया का रुपया नालिया का रुपया टंकिया का रुपया सड़का का रुपया बिजली का रुपया राशन का रुपया गरीबा का रुपया विकास का रुपया खा गयो रे कोई तो मुंडे बोलो विकास का रुपया खा